Alright, what's up everyone? So we're just going to do a quick thing today. I wanted to show you how you can make your own audio for TikTok in a very easy way. Now, my suggestion is more if there's a particular sound you want that you can't seem to find on TikTok that somebody hasn't already made, or you're trying to make it on a separate app and you don't have the physical sound without making your video on TikTok itself. Here's the way to extract that audio. The first thing I want to do is download an app. It's called X Recorder. It is a screen recording app that's super easy to use, and I'll show you how it's all done in an actual phone in a second. Another app that if you don't already have, if you have a TikTok, you end up downloading some sort of video editing software so that way you can make videos on your phone and not in TikTok. You want to download InShot. It's a very popular video editing app. It's free. It's fairly easy to use. So once you download that, that's when you're going to edit and do the rest of this video. So it's key that you have X Recorder and InShot. So make sure you download those right now before continuing the rest of this video. Other than that, we're going to jump right in and I'm going to show you on my phone how to do what I'm talking about. Alright, so you should now have the app and you can use it. It should bring up this little pop-up in which you can record stuff. So I've already started recording, as you can tell. We're going to go into YouTube. We're going to find the particular clip we want. It is important that you don't talk. So it is actually recording the audio just as it's coming out of your phone. So if you talk or you're in a loud place, it's going to pick up that extra sound, which you don't want. So now we're going to click play.
Blossom, being the smart one, what's it like?
Oh, I think it's a great honor. And no, wait. Actually, I think those labels are lame. The smart one always means the boring one. And I'm not boring. I'm a fiery redhead.
Alright, now we're going to open up InShot, which if you have TikTok, you probably already have it. So here's a bunch of just absurd miscellaneous things. I'm going to want to scroll through and find the particular clip I want. This is the one. Of course, you could edit it more in TikTok to make it look actually better. So go ahead, you can trim your clip a little bit. Boop. I've clicked play on my camera in there. That's probably good. There we go. Now you're going to add the other clip, the one you literally just recorded with the sound and everything. You're going to go into music. You're going to want to click on it and you're just going to extract the audio. So it's just directly going to take that audio out of that video. Now obviously the part where I'm talking we will get rid of, which I'll show you in a second. I'll try to speed through this. You can delete this old clip, but you can't do it right this second. It's not going to let you. But just click on it.
Being the smart
So
one,
there we go.
what's
The
it
sound
like?
I wanted.
I think it's a great honor. And
Being the smart.
Now you're also going to want to mute your original clip, so don't forget to do that because that'll affect it.
Being the smart one, what's it like?
oh, I think it's a great honor. And no, wait. Actually, I think those labels are lame.
So there you go. So you've done it. You've taken out audio, and then of course once you've done with that, just go ahead and click on your videos, delete the one that doesn't have the audio. Now it should all line up just like you want it. You've got your TikTok and you've made your own audio that now somebody else might be able to use. The key, so you can go out there, you can start making your own videos, or if you're watching this with no intention of being one of those people and you just want to hear me talk about it, that's fine. That's why I put my smart people glasses on. I may or may not post other random tips of editing and things that I do, but I don't do a lot of heavy editing that most average people don't already do. But if you have other questions of things that you think I might know, go ahead and just ask me in the comments and I'll see what I can do for you. Otherwise, thanks guys.
Being the smart one, what's it like?
Oh, I think it's a great honor. And no, wait. Actually, I think those labels are lame. The smart one always means the boring one. And I'm not boring. I'm a fiery redhead. And who made Bubbles the cute one? I'm cute. Look at this bow. And what makes Buttercup the tough one? Tell that to the monsters I beat up. I'm smart, cute, and tough. I'm the whole package.